Hey all! Today I'll be showing you how to make your own Trinket Clay Trays. Welcome to Sparklebox. If you want to try such amazing and creative DIYs, then do visit our website mysparklebox.com. You can find grade-wise art and craft kits over there. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. Making Trinket Clay Trays. If you're also trying it for the first time, share your experience with us in the comment section below. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. See you all!